Let's try this Acharov Pilaf. Unfortunately, we can't get Acharov wheat here, so my wife used emmer berries, and I think it should be just as delicious. Let's try it. It's good. Good flavor. And the wheat berries give it a nice texture. It's delicious. And it's nice to have wheat this way instead of eating bread, because we're all so used to eating bread here in the US. I think it'll be healthier this way when you get the whole wheat compared to what you get in bread here. Yesterday I was in my office, and it's over in that part of the house, and my son came to my room and he said, "Did you know there's a crack in the roof?" And I was like, "What?" So I came back out here and I saw this huge crack in the roof, and then I walked back over there to my wife's office, and on the way back I heard this crash. And when I got here, we looked up, and this is what we found. Last night we cleaned it up. We took out all the insulation and some of the sheetrock around it, and we're letting it dry, and it looks a lot better. But we have a big job to do now. We have to trim the sheetrock and put new sheetrock up there and fix all that. But there's even a second job, and that is what caused all this. Above this is a balcony, and the floor of the balcony is tiled, and we didn't know that the tile had shifted, and there's cracks in the tile, and the rain went through the tile, through the floor of the balcony, and through our ceiling. And that is directly north. Many times when it rains, the north wind comes and it blows all the rain this way, and it blew it all inside those cracks. So we've got two jobs, one to repair this and one to repair the tile upstairs. And if anybody out there knows how to put up drywall or does tile work, you can come on over and help me out. On the floor, all this was all over the floor yesterday and we cleaned it all up. So at least it's better. We got another gift today from one of our viewers from the Jeff Mara podcast. Let's open it up and check it out. It says, Jeff and Mara, sending you much love and gratitude in Loch Eck. Enjoy, from Christopher Fay. In Loch Eck. I'm not sure what that means. Sounds Scottish. Either way, Christopher, thank you very much. I don't know what it is yet, but thank you very much. All right. Home note, 100 packs of bamboo plant labels. You know what this is? Yeah. My wife knows what this is. I don't. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. So I guess this is for us to label the plants in our garden. Yeah. That's cool. And it comes with a marker too. Awesome. Thank you, Christopher. All right. So for example, you can take one of these little signs here. I guess it doesn't matter which side we write on. And we can write watermelon. Just like that.
So one.
So cool. Thank you again, Christopher. All right, so what I'm planting here is jalapeno, and it's pretty amazing how many seeds you can get out of one pepper. So it makes so much more sense just to buy one pepper and get all the seeds out than to go buy those packets of peppers. And we'll just plant and hope for the best. And these are bell pepper seeds. It seems though, even though we're getting a lot of rain lately, they still need watering every day. Thanks again, Christopher. So jalapenos are back here. And bell peppers are up here. Watermelon is here. And squash is there. I don't remember what that plant is, what those plants are, or those plants on the end either. Unfortunately, we didn't have these yet. And here's some more of these squash seeds. Way more than enough. It's an amazing planet to think about, that all you need is dirt and seeds and water and you can grow food. spearmint. Basil. This is regular basil over here. This is chives. This is oregano. This is thyme. This is Thai basil.
To cut.
Yeah. We need rosemary and we need dill.
You don't have to open.
Nope. You can write those and I'll go get scissors. Basically, once any basil starts flowering, you need to cut it so it'll continue growing more leaves. So this is our Thai basil harvest for today. All right, so this is dill. And this is rosemary. Let's put this back on and water it. Now to water. Actually, our herb garden looks good. We've just been picking a lot of the spearmint to make tea and some of the basil to make pizza sauce. And since it hasn't been incredibly hot yet and we've been getting a lot of rain, it's done well. Once we get into the drought season, when it's above 100 every day, we'll see what happens. I'm drinking one of my homemade smoothies. It's a blueberry banana smoothie. I'm almost running late, so I've got to go and record an NDE podcast. I'll see you guys later. We're at Starbucks today, and now I'm trying a grande mango strawberry lemonade refresher. I think it's about 140 calories, which is not too bad. And you even have little chunks of strawberries inside of it. I got the basic lemonade without caffeine in it. It's delicious. It's very sweet. Again, it's kind of like liquid candy. Starbucks is in the sugar business, not really in the coffee business. But at least their sugar is delicious. So if you want something refreshing, give it a try, see if you like it. My wife decided to get mango chai again. Let me try it. That's pretty good. We also got an Amazon gift card from Christina for $25. Christina, thank you very much for the gift card. We appreciate it a lot.